Here we have the Education Galaxy sign-in page. Now for this resource, we are going to be using our S number. So for instance, if my S number was S456654, that would be both my username and my password. Now I have a test login. So you can see what to find. So here we have our ranking, our avatar, how many stars we have gotten, and what we are going to do is we're going to go to the study plan. And we're going to practice some math. Now, you can see here the name, how many stars we've gotten, and the arrow to begin. The way this works is if you get 70% or more, you get 1 star. If you get 85 or more, you get 2 stars. And if you get it all right, you get 3 stars. So I would recommend that we start from the top, because these are ideas that we have started in the beginning of the year, and then go down. So you're going to start here. I'll give you a mini lesson, and depending on how you do, you'll get a chance to play games. The farther you get along, the better you do, the more games you unlock. So, we are looking forward to using this resource. Make sure that you are practicing, make sure you are growing in your learning, and we will be looking forward to seeing your progress.